What is up, guys? LazyChipsYT is back here with another video for you guys. I'm working on another freestyle for you guys. I've been really in a musical mood, just really vibe lately, and I'm hoping that you guys just tune in, enjoy, just get on this train, or just really hoping that your day is going awesome. I want to say rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle. A serious in the United States is a serious scene going on right now, and I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but overall there's so much hatred. Is no too different from last year. It's no too different from like when we lost X, when we lost when we lost I can't think Mac Miller. There was a bunch of artists that we lost last year, and really it's been more motivation for me to get better at my craft, or just really get better in what I want to express, or what I choose to go at it creatively. I hope I didn't butcher the word that much. I'm just waking up, but that's the way I want to go about like handling things, or just it's been really inspiration. But I'm not gonna like keep talking, get right into this music, and hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure the recording's alright, because I've been fucking up lately. And this is the beat that I'm going. Is by November. I don't know if you guys can really hear me. I'm recording on Instagram Live as well, so that's in the mix. Yeah. Let's see how. Alright, this is gonna be a freestyle. I'm just hoping you guys enjoy. This is just a freestyle session. I'm constantly putting out freestyles right now, because I want to, once I get to where I really want to, I have stuff written down, but I'm trying to get my flow down, and just get comfortable with flows, or just different types of flow and changing up. So let's get right into this. Alright, yeah. Lazy. Yeah. Okay. Back in the day, I had to worry about what I had to say. I can't play for you niggas. I didn't worry about no figures no more. I had to get a bigger bass. I had to stump on your throat, so I got to get mine. I understand the word about the fine lines. I keep on going, and I keep on the switching the line. Can't be insane in the same fine lines. Understand that I'm coming in mine. Different understanding you ain't coming with the old mans. You just quickly pantsing. Understand you about to come out and just come out. Oh fuck, hold up, I'm fucking up. I had lost some breath. I lost some shit. I ran out of oxygen. The one thing that's needed to breathe. All right. Yeah. Yo, it's Lazy. All right. Back in the day, I had to take the time. I ain't had the time, the worth. I had to play. Understand, I ain't coming to find my own faith, but I have the words I have to say. I gotta relay. Can't play with all the niggas, counting all your figures, trying to get a bigger man. I'm trying to get bigger. Sit down. Is it coming with a different sound? I ain't have the words, but I'm speaking out now. Understand, if you coming with different face. Understand, you're running with different girls and different face. No, I can't say the same words, I can't relate, cause I'm only doing me. It's the lazy, I can do them on the face. Understand, I'm worrying about, I ain't trying to play with all you niggas. All you do is count figures, trying to be bigger than any man's. I understand, I'm bigger than you and dick stands. Big mans are bigger the bills. I understand, I'm just trying to get on mine and pop these pills. No, I ain't got the time for all these drugs. scoop all the feelings are under the rug. Gotta keep doing me. Hit 'em with the shrug, shoulder roll. Understand, I got to go, gotta grow. Leave your niggas on different mindsets. Understand, ain't coming out bottom about the fat. Can't confess, I do my best. Relay what I have to do it off my chest. I got to relay about the words in my head. I can't do none, I can't take none, I can't play. Times are constant, different changing. Understand you're coming with different occasions. Coming in, thinking about where I'm trying to get my billo. Understand, I'm trying to sleep in big old pillows in a Zillow. Understand, I'm coming with a different flow. You ain't hear me though. I ain't hitting on your bitches, but I'm coming in though. I'm breaking in your back door. No. Live your niggas on a different mindsets. Understand I'm coming with words. Understand I can't come confess. I never rely on the people, I just do my best. I got to get the words off my chest. I've been freestyling this whole time and doing my best. I can't do nothing for you. You gotta do for your own time. And you walk in your own shoes. You gotta pay your own dues. I can't play. Understand the words that I had to say. Like I said, the words are words that came to relay. I ain't come to play no more for your figures. I gotta step up my own times. I gotta bring bigger the different flows. Understand the coming with the flow. Gotta go lazy chips. Understand I'm about to dip. I ain't coming in with some Crips ass jeans. I'm about to slip. About to leave your niggas on a different flow. I got a constant changing on a different mindset though. I leave your own. Leave your guys on the bow or leave your float. Got to go lazy chips on this beat though. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all hear the raw version. I'm pretty sure I gotta re-record this because my phone was ringing. I do apologize. I don't, these random ass numbers been calling my phone lately. I don't know what's the problem, what's been going on, but let y'all hear this. It's probably like double recording, so I'm gonna just turn the mic down so you guys won't hear my BS's. All right. I'm just gonna boost the audio, boost just like the bass and treble. There we go. And I got like, I want to clean it up. I'm gonna clean up the song. I'm gonna clean it all up. It's all gonna be posted out on Instagram. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. I'm gonna post it on Snapchat if I can. Twitter. Come on, you guys. I'm just coming in with just different styles, different music. I'm hoping you guys are digging it. I hope you guys are loving it. I've been talking to the camera and didn't have the mic. Hold up, let me leave it right there. It's gonna constantly play. I hope you guys can really hear as well. After the say it, gotta relay. Can play with all the niggas. It sounds way better. Hold on. Trying to get a bigger man, so I'm trying to get. It sounds way better in the headphones. Sit down. Is it coming with a different sound? Leave your own. Leave your guys on the bow or leave your float. Got to go lazy chips on this beat though. 1 second, you bitches, and that's a BISH. ES or S or whatever grammar. I don't give a flip. Anywho's, I'm going to edit this. I'm gonna have it at the end of this. I'm fucking up. I'm gonna have it at the end of the video. I want to thank you guys for coming out to the channel. I want to thank you guys for just being here, making music, just sharing this good quality time, your morning, your afternoon, your night. I said nights, whatever, your midnights, what time ever you're watching. This might be on your break, your lunch break, and so forth. I want to thank you. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you as a person, and I'm hoping that you're having an awesome day. I'm hoping that you're living your best life, and I'm wishing that you have nothing but positivity in your mindset and just constantly stay motivated in whatever freak you want to do. If you want to freaking be on the moon, be on the moon. If you want to like do whatever you really want to do in life, go pursue that. Pursue it at all means, at any cost. Do you. And be your best motivation. Be your juice. Be your juice. I'm creating my own juice. I have a lot of different flavors. I might feel grape juice one day, even if I don't fuck with grape juice. I might feel with orange juice, cranberry juice, a lime juice. I said lime because I said lime. All right, I'm just gonna slide off on a slime. No time. I ain't worried about that. I just have to hit you with these rhymes. I gotta go. Different flows. You just know you gotta be you and understand. You only gotta see you and. I just ran with it. Thank you. Overall, thank you guys for just enjoying the time. Thank you just being here. And overall, if you enjoyed any second of this freestyle session or so forth, just create music, hey, share with your friends. You don't have to subscribe to me. It would be awesome if you subscribe because it really helps out the channel. Boost these numbers. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before June. That'll be freaking epic if you guys can get that goal running. That's awesome. But anywho, hit that like button. And also, like I said before, share with friends, family, and so forth. Share the love, share the positivity, share the creativity. That's all I want from this. All I ask for. Just hit that share button. You don't have to subscribe. You don't even have to like. Just share. It's easy. One click of your finger on either a mouse or your phone, your tablet, or whatever you're using to watch this video of this handsome mother freaker. Yeah, I said it. Anyways, but just share with your friends. Just spreading creativity and positivity. Thank you guys. I'm going to finish editing this song. And actually, I'm going to just show you what the starting point is. Because I'm only using Audacity. I'm making use of the tools that I have. But best believe I'm not just going to let just having audio on top of audio. You got to get in there and edit some things. You got to make it sound crisp. You got to make it sound beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, first things first, if you're ever using Audacity, any of that, make sure you get the noise. The background noise, any noise is going on, get that out the way. So you won't just be hearing your cell phone or someone talking in the background, or you're heavy breathing, or you're your porn going on in the background. I don't know what you do. I don't judge. It's not my place to judge. Let me just make sure I get this one more time, because gotta get that noise reduction to a minimum. To the minimum. There we go. Just to make sure I clean it all up. Just to make sure. And that's all. You can always look up more ways to just say how to use Audacity. I could make an entire video about that, but I don't feel like doing it because I'm pretty sure there's already videos out there already. If you're looking up, that's what I've looked up, how the ways to just make music. Or it's always I'm trying to get a balance between the bass or just the background music to also the vocals. I'm trying to find that clean balance. One song I can say 22 views was one of the songs that everything came out perfectly, and that was just from just the balance of the song, the cuts, everything, ad-libs, or just whatever. I could see it being better, but what it is right now, it sounds awesome. And I suggest you guys test it out, try it out. SoundCloud link is probably going to be down below. Also, it's LazyChips. Everything's LazyChipsYT. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, Instagram is always there. I'm always active right there. So hit that. Just got on. I should subscribe. Yeah, please do that. But anyways, hit follow me right there. I'll follow you right back. I'm an active follower. I'm not just gonna sit there and creep like majority of your followers, or some followers just creeping on your shoes. But Snapchat, check that out. I'm trying to be more. I'm not that in tune to like being on social media as much, but I'm trying my best to just stay active. And if you guys want to talk to me, have some suggestions, or just want to just have a conversation with me, hit me up. I'll respond. I'll talk. I like conversations. I like just sharing thoughts, just sharing just really any information, what I know and what you know, or anything. So hit me up if you guys enjoy that. So what else before I close this out? Make use of what you have, because you never know what's going to happen in the future. But you can't just have the excuse of saying that, oh, I don't have all the best tools, I don't have everything that everyone has, I don't have studio money, I don't know anyone that has a studio. Make use of what you got. You can record on your phone. I suggest there's an app, it's called BandLab. If you have an Android, I don't know if it's on Apple iOS. My friend recommended me. I saw it on the Play Store, so you can check it out from there. That's a good way. Just want to record in your good quality. That's like this. That's a good app. It has many loops that you can create your own beats. So do that. They're not sponsoring for that, but it'd be awesome. They did. You know, it is what I'm only 75 subscribers, 76. It is what, you know what I'm saying? Anywho's, I just want to say, wrap it up. But in the car has good in the car, if you want to record music, you don't have any places to record, and your car is a good place, because it like the cushion, whatever, it's an enclosed space, and usually this has fabric and so forth that absorbs the sound and so forth, so it's not just a lot of echoing. Just make sure you're just in the quiet area. No matter where you are, you can record music and just do you. Me, I use that app. I don't use it often because my battery life, Samsung 9, is good battery, but not the best battery. The 10 is out, pretty good. Anywho, I'm done with that. Just make use of what you got. You can always upgrade later. If you have the money, you don't have the money for it, take your time. Just whatever tools you have at hand, make use of that, because there's no excuse. It shouldn't be an excuse in your life for you not just doing whatever you really feel you want to create music. So be it. If you want to create art, or just whatever you really want to do in your life, there's no excuse anymore. There's always a way. There's always a way. But I'm out. LazyChipsYT is out. Thank you guys. Thank you. And to my next video, peace and prosperity. Dang, I'm running out of breath and saliva. Anywho, positivity in your life. Do your best. Be your own juice. Anywho's, I'm out. LazyChipsYT. Stay positive. Yo, thank you for making it to the end of this video. Thank you. Nothing but appreciation and love. If you guys enjoyed this video the same as I did making it, go on, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you enjoyed any parts that was relatable or funny and so forth, share it to your friends and leave a comment. I'm always checking them out and showing nothing but love and appreciation to you guys. But if, like I said, haven't hit that subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds to 3 seconds, 0.1 second to hit that button, and you enjoy life all day long. And if you've not seen my latest videos, it's going to be right to your left. Y'all know, click that button. Y'all throw a little sauce on that. And if you were interested in any of my newer videos or any videos at all, y'all hit that right button. Hit that right one. It's going to show all my other latest videos that you guys have missed or just want to check out. But I'll leave you on this note. Nothing but love, appreciation, and nothing but positive energy. Thank you. Made it to the end of this video at this point, please, y'all know, hit that subscribe button. Gotta plug that in. It is what it is. But in later notes, let it be peace, positivity in your life. Hope you're enjoying your day, your afternoon, or nights. And hey, enjoy life. Peace. LazyChipsYT is out. On my socials is down below. Instagram, Snapchat, and also Facebook. Twitter is also in that as well. So until my next video, I'll be peace and love.